Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to open My AI on Snapchat. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So now to start, open your Snapchat app. And then after that, you can see at the bottom, chat icon. Tap on that. And then it will direct you to the chat feed. You can see at the top, that's the My AI. Now just tap on that. My AI is now open. And then the second method that I want to share with you is to go to your Snapchat app and then swipe your screen to the right. Now tap again to My AI. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have questions regarding this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe.